Anthony from NUTLEY Kia. I'm about to show you this 2017 Kia Optima LX. It's got breakaway mirrors. It's got a nice, easy handle to open the door. It's got a high adjustable seat. Raise it up, crank it down. Your power windows and door locks and mirrors on the door. It also only got 11,764 miles. Bluetooth, cruise control on the steering wheel, automatic headlights with power radio with CD player, air conditioning, heat, Sportmatic shifter with your drive modes. It's got a beautiful back seat, as you can see. Look at that, look at this. It also got a beautiful sized trunk. If you look at this trunk space, you can fit a lot of things up in here. You also just pull on these levers and we put the seats down, and you got 60/40 rear split seats. Again, if you want a great car, come see Anthony Jr. at NUTLEY Kia. Yahoo!
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.